Doing research as an undergrad, you're nurturing those questions that you have, answering those in a way through research and through science. Having that experience under your belt, I think, really would help you come into it and make it your own. I've always had the idea that science was something that smart people do. It wasn't something that I thought I would do. Being able to discover new things, learning more knowledge, I think, is what I'm setting out to do, trying to learn as much as I can, I guess. An REU program is a research experience for undergraduates, and essentially it gives undergraduates from smaller schools or institutions the ability to come to a larger institution to do research in the summer with other graduate students. I work in Dr. Yan's group, and the research that we do there has to do with applying novel mass spectrometric techniques to things like disease diagnosis, reaction monitoring, and new synthetic methods. My project specifically focuses on the Alzheimer pathology, trying to use chemical instrumentation to get a sense of the pathology and the lipid makeup in Alzheimer disease brains in mice samples.
My lab is very much on board with the idea of advancing undergrad research. We provide opportunities for undergrads to do research in the lab on real research projects. And we think, conducting impactful research in a real research lab helps undergrads with motivations, skills, and support that will help them to further the career in STEM.
I've really enjoyed my time in the REU. It's just been an all-around great experience, and being in the lab, the REU seemed like a perfect way to get into research and potentially to go to grad school. I think the REU gives students that wouldn't have those opportunities the means to do so, and then that fosters like a new generation of scientists.